Hello good buyers, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the most anticipated game console of Sony, the PlayStation 5.
PlayStation is the true embodiment of a creative entertainment company with a solid foundation of technology. And it's our mission to embrace the entire creative community, elevating their content on our platform for PlayStation fans. That commitment will carry us through as we embark on the launch of our next generation console, PlayStation 5, coming this holiday. And I'm pleased to share with you today, for the first time, our new logo.
Since the official announcement of the PS5 sa CES 2020 noong January, marami ang na-excite lalo na mga gamers. At base na rin sa website ng Sony, ang official release ng PS5 ay ngayong holiday 2020. Ano nga ba mga key features ng PS5 at ang design niya? Hanggang ngayon kasi ay clueless pa rin ang lahat kasi wala pa rin nilalabas ang Sony ng official design ng PS5. Ano nga ba talaga ang design ng PS5? Maraming mga kumakalat na designs ng PS5 sa internet na magaganda talaga. Akala ko nga official design na from Sony. Sony keep it secret until the release date.
Scientists say its effects are mind-boggling. Users lose all sense of reality and enter another world. Here we have a normal, healthy young man. And here we have a woman who's getting
Ano ba ang mga key features ng PS5? The key features of PS5 is the 3D audio sound, haptics adaptive triggers, ultra-high SSD, hardware-based ray tracing, and the Ultra HD Blu-ray. And lastly, how much is the expected price ng PS5? This one is not yet confirmed, but others are saying na around $450 to $499 ang suggested console price, mga 22,000 to 25,000 pesos, roughly the price of the new Xbox console. So, good buyers na gamers, are you excited sa release ng PS5? Comment below kung excited ka na.